Hello and welcome. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to deploy a Python web application to the Google Cloud platform. I will use the project I have created in my first video of this series. It just prints out Hello World. If you don't know how to get to this point, feel free to watch the first video on how to set up the Google Cloud SDK and how to build your first project. You will find the link in the description. First, run the Google Cloud SDK shell as administrator. Type gcloud init to initialize if you aren't logged in already to your Google account. And now you can choose to initialize your account from an old configuration or just create a new one. In my case, it's the first option. This is the email address of my previous configuration. Again, it's the first option for me. Now I'm logged into my Google account, as you can see. Head over to the Google App Engine documentation. The link is in the description. Scroll down to deploying an app. And as you can see, we need to use the command gcloud app deploy. Also, we can specify optional flags, but I will tell you more about them later. Head over to Cancel in the top right corner. If you haven't been logged into this console yet, just do the required steps. In the top left corner, click on Create Project. Now specify a name for your project. I will just call it Test. Here you can see the current project ID. Add it if you want to. It will be part of the URL to access the deployed web application later. I will just leave it like that and create my project. Now your project is being created. Wait for it to finish. Once your project is created, select it in the right corner to access the settings of the project. This here is the dashboard of your project. And right here on the left corner, switch between projects or view all of them here. Now copy your project ID. To deploy the app, we will use the optional project flag to specify the project we want to deploy our application to. Run the deploy command from within your project's root folder. In my case, it is this one on my desktop. And once you are in that root folder, type in gcloud app deploy. _project. That's our optional flag. And after that, paste your project ID that you just copied. Hit enter. I will choose Europe West. And now it's deploying the app. Hit Y to finally deploy your project. It will appear at the given URL right here. In my case, this one. Now your application should be successfully deployed to your project. Open the browser and access it by the given URL. So it's yourprojectid.appspot.com. Now you should see the output of your Python web application. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave a comment and hit the like button.